there is an iota of magbigti ako. So, in the same manner na kung magbigti ako, si Trillanes dapat magsabay rin sa akin.
Okay, duly noted of your thoughts, Mr. President. Former Senator Trillanes, you're recognized.
Maraming salamat, Mr. Chairman. Ito pong dokumentong ito po yung naging basis ko nung plunder case na final ko kay Duterte noong 2016. At ito po ay inimbestigahan ng Ombudsman. At ang Deputy Ombudsman, Arthur Carandang, and I think the Quadcom can invite him, siya ang nag-conduct ng investigation.